Do you cringe every time automatic payments hit your bank account? Does tracking subscriptions feel like a dark hole swallowing your hard-earned money? Managing recurring expenses is a beast, but taming it yields bountiful rewards. In this video, we'll explore the top apps to effortlessly control your financial outflows. You'll discover clever hacks to maximize savings and gain peace of mind with every automated payment. Stick around to the end to unlock a bonus app that syncs transactions across all your accounts. Recurring payments for subscriptions, bills, and other expenses can feel frustrating and even painful to track, but understanding cash outflows is key to financial freedom. We'll be discussing the best apps to shine a light on recurring payments, enabling you to slash unnecessary costs and achieve financial wins. Which app most seamlessly tracks your Netflix, gym membership, mortgage, and other regular costs? Let's evaluate the leading options. We'll be discussing the best apps to shine a light on recurring payments, enabling you to slash unnecessary costs and achieve financial wins. Which app most seamlessly tracks your Netflix, gym membership, mortgage, and other regular costs? Let's evaluate the leading options. The top criteria for choosing a recurring expense manager include automatic syncing with bank and credit card transactions, customizable categories and payment tracking, alerts for upcoming payments, charts and graphs summarizing spending, budgeting features, invoice creation, receipt capturing, tax preparation support. The right app for your unique needs depends on your financial goals and tech savvy. We'll explore both simple and sophisticated tools to appeal to a range of users. For hands-off automation, Mint Bills stands out from the pack. Once connected to your financial accounts, Mint automatically imports and categorizes recurring payments. The intuitive interface clearly displays upcoming bills and subscriptions with payment dates. Custom categories like groceries, transportation, and healthcare expenses help isolate spending patterns. Mint's budgeting feature allows you to allocate periodic amounts for different categories. You'll get alerts when approaching or exceeding budget targets. While Mint offers automation for effortless tracking, the basic reports lack customizable graphs and charts compared to other products. However, the app best suits beginners seeking an automated big picture of financial outflows rather than granular analysis. If you want a more active role in fine-tuning expenses, Personal Capital's Recurring Transactions Dashboard allows tagging each payment. Whether you're tracking Netflix, insurance, or a daily coffee run, Personal Notes help distinguish ambiguous bank charges. The calendar view visualizes upcoming recurring costs by day, week, or month. You can also add one-time future transactions like an annual vacation or airline ticket. Forecasting these alongside fixed payments helps budget for irregular big-ticket items. For small business owners and freelancers, Personal Capital shines with income and expense reporting, optimized for tax preparation. Come filing season, easily export customizable summaries of itemized deductions. While Personal Capital provides more hands-on control over tracking recurrent cash flow than Mint, the interface feels outdated compared to its slick competitors. Also, the mobile app lacks features for on-the-go use. Seeking a leading-edge tool for both business and personal finance management? You need a budget. YNAB boasts an enthusiastic following for its envelope-style budgeting methodology. After connecting YNAB to financial accounts, it automatically pulls in and labels transactions. Similar to its paper envelope budgeting system, digital envelopes allocate dollars for specific costs like rent, subscriptions, groceries, and so forth. Unique aging reports analyze how long money has sat around in envelopes. This reveals if you consistently over-budget certain categories. Adjust amounts based on real spending patterns visible through habitual use. YNAB's flexible approach suits both precise number crunchers and big-picture financial strategists. Frictionless bank data imports, combined with customizable categorization, reduce tedious manual entry. While YNAB offers an elite recurring expense tracking experience, the trade-off is a steep learning curve. The enveloping methodology requires rigid adherence for maximum impact. Also, long-term use is an investment of over $100 a year. For effortless automation that meets financial edification, Money Dashboard provides exceptional utility. Bespoke budgets, spending alerts, income reports, and cash flow forecasting paint a comprehensive financial vision. Easy scroll chronological feeds log every transaction from linked accounts without tedious manual entry. Swipe right on any payment to assign a category like utilities, transport, food, or mortgage. Elegant infographics chart expenditure against budgets over days, weeks, and months. See what percentage remains across groceries, fuel, entertainment, and other customizable categories. This helps inform targeted cuts or overages. Unique bill pre-automation technology forecasts upcoming costs based on payment history. Know how much is owed for taxes, insurance, or service plans before the bill arrives. Paint funds or adjust other spending accordingly. While Money Dashboard delivers automation with personalized precision, the advertising lacks clarity that core features are free. Premium upgrades add perks like multiple account connections and receipt scanning for taxes. Among the most popular cross-platform money management systems, Countabout synchronizes web and mobile recurrent cash tracking. Transaction feeds are automatically uploaded from connected accounts. Countabout's calendar diagrams monthly outflows for recurring bills and subscriptions. Click any entry for note editing, split transaction adjustments, receipt uploading, and attaching images like warranties or user manuals. Generate invoice and expense reports that are exportable for business accounting and tax documentation. Income charts contrast against total outflow over any duration. Budget progress bars keep motivation high for reducing wasteful spending. Countabout also uniquely offers goal-setting tools. Establish periodic contribution targets toward purchases like a house, car, dream vacation, or early retirement fund. Integration with Plaid enables account balances to update across over 25,000 institutions. For downsides, Countabout lacks foresight intelligence to anticipate upcoming bills ahead of their arrival. However, seamless receipt uploading and cloud storage centralize documentation. DAS Budget, the foundation that touches most key pillars for optimizing back-end personal finances, excels across critical performance metrics. Top-tier features come bundled for one affordable price. Automatic data syncing with financial accounts categorizes transactions for unified reporting. Custom labels effectively organize rental payments, streaming services, group subscriptions, household expenses, and additional payees. DAS Budget is not just a siloed money tracker. It facilitates action steps for intentional budgeting tied to financial checklists. Tag when recurring bills get paid to ensure on-time delivery. Sync dates and alert reminders prevent late fees. Income charts trace deposits over weeks, months, and years. Separate business revenue from personal earnings for freelancers and solopreneurs seeking unified financial visibility. For motivational encouragement, streak trackers count consecutive days adhering to saving and spending benchmarks. Weekly progress emails share personalized tips and training videos. Group challenges foster communal accountability. Of course, there is no one for tracking or judging. DAS. The budget lacks receipt scanning capabilities and falls short in forecasting upcoming bills relative to its strengths in categorizing existing payments. However, a free trial allows for customized evaluation. Bank-level security meets set-it-and-forget-it usability with Tiller Money. Direct data integrations with over 14,000 financial institutions autofill cash inflow and outflow for persistent tracking. What Tiller Money lacks in flashy visual design, it compensates for through rock-solid functionality. Lightning-fast transaction feed synchronization, requiring no manual reconciliation, turns expense auditing into an afterthought. That freed-up mental bandwidth shifts focus toward targeted budget building. Streamlined category customization allows tailoring income, variable, and fixed cost tracking. Instant refresh dashboards reflect real-time balances and spending across accounts. Tiller Money particularly suits spreadsheet savants. Export adaptable Excel financial templates, including loan amortization schedules, investment tracking, and small business bookkeeping. For cons, Tiller Money confines mobile access to read-only features without full editing functionality. However, this singular shortcoming barely blemishes an otherwise stellar recurring expense tracking solution. Facilitating income and expense clarity for individuals and businesses alike, Zoho Expense impresses with rounded utility spanning personal to enterprise. Though pricing sits at the premium end, value-add features justify costs through measurable ROI. Automatic data feeds sync purchases across funding sources into a unified ledger. Tag and monitor subscriptions, bills, fees, or any repeating payment, regardless of changing transaction dates and amounts. Custom categories and crunch-worthy graphs expose spending waste for elimination. Define budgets across departments for niche cost optimization, whether legal fees, inventory, payroll, research funding, or other operational areas. Zoho connects the dots end to end, not just by tracking, but by simplifying payments. Directly pay bills using stored payment methods or connect accounts for automated transfers. Minimize late fees with recurring schedules. Standout strengths in managing employee spending give Zoho Expense leading appeal for mileage reimbursement, travel costs, and purchase order management across companies big and small. Crunch granular yet digestible analytics are in demand. The downsides of Zoho Expense mostly relate to overly sophisticated features beyond necessity for personal finance, but irrelevant to businesses. However, deluxe corporate capabilities justify relatively lofty pricing for enterprises wishing to level up their financial practices. You need a budget, Mint, Personal Capital, Money Dashboard, Countabout, DAS Budget, Tiller Money, and Zoho Expense. Each offer exemplary recurring expense tracking and money management catering to varied, specific user journeys. The best recurring expense tracking app ultimately depends on your financial persona and goals. Micro-analyzers need precision tracking with customizable reporting. Hands-off personalities want effortless automation. Businesses demand next-level sophistication with pocketbook security. Whatever your money monitoring needs entail, at least one platform profile today promises a purpose-fit solution. By using direct bank data feeds to power recurring transaction auto-labeling, each app reduces tedious manual labor. What recurring cost triggers your money fears most every month? Debt payments? Unexpected subscription charges? With the right expense tracking app as your financial health ally, prepare your mindset to master cash flow awareness as the foundation for intentional, value-based saving and spending. Imagine a life where every dollar gets spent consciously rather than disappearing down an opaque expense vortex. By spotlighting outflows, these digital money managers equip anyone at any tech skill level with insider financial intel, once exclusive to accounting professionals. When what flows out freely flows in abundantly, productivity and prosperity flourish thanks to regained focus on priorities, career growth, relationship building, and purposeful living. If you feel recurring payment anxiety, start your financial healing journey today by downloading a tailored, transparent money app. We covered tons of ground exploring the leading expense automation assistants. Let me know in the comments which solution resonates most. Share this video with anyone who might benefit from discovering these financial heroes. Smash notifications and subscribe for upcoming money management discoveries so you never miss a minute of financial uplift.